So there's our old bearing, our pulley, and the new. So we're over here by the press, and we've got the pulley and the bearings. So we're going to push the old bearing out by turning it upside down. And there it goes, just fell on the floor. I'll ease this back off. And take it out. And there's our pulley ready for the new bearing. So I'll get that ready and we'll get on with it. So I'm just wiping out the inside of it, cleaning up the pulley, ready for the new bearing. And that's kind of some of the rubbish that I've been pulling out of it. Once that's nice and clean, we'll keep going. And the new bearing, we'll open it up. And here is our beautiful new bearing. There it is there, I don't know if you can see it. It says Japan on it somewhere. And we're going to place it in here. But before we do that, we're going to put a tiny bit of oil on just on the outside of it, just an absolute smidge, and slide it in. Up and out. Now that bearing out with my fingers. We'll work that oil around the side. That'll do. And then make sure that's nice and clean. I'll put on my jumper. And we're just about ready to start pressing it down. So we'll line it up best we can. It looks pretty good. I'm going to keep pressing it down. It's nice and smooth, nice and easy. And that's it. That's just stopped there. So I'm going to ease it off. And with any luck I haven't jammed the other nut. That's it, that's fine, it's come out, no worries. And there it is. How's that? So we've just made a Japanese pulley for a GMLS. She's perfect. Check the back, that's seated right. Pretty good to me. Now he's got to refit it to the car with the new belt. And again, you can do this with a hammer, you just tap it in with a hammer. You can check out some of my other videos where I use a hammer to knock in some oil seals, and it's exactly the same principle. You just go nice and slow and progressive.